Hey guys, Mr. Thaxton here. Hope you all had a great weekend and are ready for a great week of school. I hope you were able to get outside and play with your friends and family, and just take a break from school for a couple of days. As we get started this week, we're going to continue where we left off, where we were talking about some of the features on maps that I think are important that are going to help us with our social studies this year. So today is going to be fairly simple, but one thing that we will start this week that we will do every Monday is we will have an assignment um, for the quote of the week. And so I'll give you a quote every week, just something for you to think about and to help you. So when you're on my page, you click on assignment. When you click on assignment, it will pull up to your assignment today, which is in this file. You'll open the file, and as you open the file, give it a second, the quote of the week will appear. The quote this week is, "The expert in anything was once a beginner." I'll say that one more time. The expert in anything was once a beginner. So I myself related that to this a good bit this week. But what you're going to do is, looking at that quote, you're going to answer these three questions. What is the meaning of this quote? Do you agree with it? And how does it relate to you and your world? So, for example, question 3. So if you're ready to answer question 3 that says, how does it relate to you and your world? You would go over to the 4th slide, and that's where you would type into the box. So getting back to how the quote, "The expert in anything was once a beginner," I think about this Schoology and virtual school that we have been using the last week and a half. All of us are beginners right now. We are not in any means an expert. But you know what? The more that we work on this, the better we understand it, the harder we try. We could be that expert, the expert at teaching virtually, the expert student on virtual, understanding how to use Schoology to the best that you can. And know that right now, everybody's at the beginning. We just started the race. So we are trying to become experts, but right now we are still beginners. So that was a good quote. I thought was good for this week. So without copy in mind, answer these three questions about this quote, and maybe give an example about, especially when it gets to how does it relate to you and your world. Give an example of how it relates to you and the people around you. So that was your assignment today. And then on top of that, I would like for you to watch these 4 videos. All 4 of these videos are on YouTube, and they are short, but they're just reviewing you, giving you a little review on some of the main things that you will learn this week and that will we use this week. I'm excited about our assignment tomorrow. It's going to be probably a 2-day assignment, as well as we have a CNN 10 tomorrow, but we'll talk about that tomorrow. But in the meantime, I am going to have some how-to videos on my page as well today. They will be right underneath the assignment area. They aren't on here yet because I'm recording them after this. But know that if you're having trouble with anything, hopefully I will have a short little video there that can help you with that. If not, just let me know, and I will help you any way I can. Good luck to everyone as you finish your reading iReady and begin our math iReady this week. So happy Monday. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your assignments, and I'll see you tomorrow.